what your section of the project's all about.
So we're making citrus peel cleaner. So the peels from our crunch and sip were going to waste because they can't go into compost, citrus peels. So we decided to start investigating how we can put that to good use, making an environmentally friendly all-purpose cleaner. It smells nice, it's a great degreaser, it's very cost effective. You basically just use food grade white vinegar, which is $1.20 for 2 litres, and the peels from the kids' crunch and sip. You simply need a something to ferment the liquid in for 3 to 4 weeks, and then we extract the liquid, and you can break it down into 10 parts water, 1 part citrus cleaner, and it will clean anything. And if you want to do even really heavy degreasing, like your oven, just add a bit of bicarb soda, and it's a cheap, environmentally friendly all-purpose cleaner. So.
Fabulous. And you've got some student leaders in charge of that project?
That's right. We've got 2 boys from stage 2, Levi and Skylan, who will be doing the presentation later, and I'll tell you all about it.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What is it? Orange citrus cleaner is a natural cleaning product free of harmful chemicals. It consists of citrus peels and white vinegar. At school, we most commonly use mandarin peels and orange peels. Ingredients: lemon, lime, and orange peels, and white vinegar. Continue. Any citrus peel will work, but orange is the best. Any white vinegar will do, even food grade vinegar. The cheaper the better. Cost effect. The only materials you need for citrus cleaning: 1. Something to allow the peels and vinegar to ferment in at least 3 weeks. 2. An empty spray bottle for your orange citrus cleaner. Why use it? Ever read the back of a cleaning product and seen the amount of chemicals they have? Next time you use a multi-cleaner spray, have a look at the back of it. Orange citrus cleaner is totally environmentally friendly.